Example 2. Allie's attack percent is 0.571. She has 1 error and 7 attacks. Find the number of kills Allie made. Describe the steps you used to solve the problem. So let's go ahead, just like we did in the first example, and let's put a letter above what each of these numbers represents. So the attack percent, well, we know the attack percent is the PCT. So I'm going to put PCT above that. 1 error is represented by E, so I'll put an E above that. And the number of attacks is represented by TA. So that's what we're given. Now the question is asking us to find the number of kills made by Allie. So we want to actually find out what K is. So let's go ahead and put these numbers into our formula and see what we have to do then to solve for K. So right now we have PCT equals K minus E over TA. So once we go in and fill in these numbers here, we have 0.571 equals, we don't know what K is, that's what we want to solve for, minus E is 1 all over 7 for TA. Okay. Now looking at this equation, we want to solve for K, so we want to get K on this side here by itself. Let's write the steps that we would have to do in order to solve for K. So starting with the variable, what are we doing? Using words. So we have K, we are subtracting 1, then dividing by 7. So over here I'm going to say K subtract 1 and then divide by 7. Okay, now we'll work in the reverse order to get K on this side by itself here. So to undo dividing by 7, we need to do the opposite, which is multiplying by 7. So let's go ahead, multiply both sides of the equation here by 7. Okay. If you do 7 times 0.571 in your calculator, you should get about 4. So we'll say 4 equals, on this side of the equation we had K minus 1 divided by 7. Now we multiplied the whole thing here by 7. So this 7 divides out with this 7 here. So those are gone. That's just 1. So we're left with K minus 1. So now we've taken care of this. We have undone this divide by 7. Now let's look at this subtract 1. So we have K minus 1. We have to do the opposite operation of subtracting 1, which is adding 1. So go ahead and add 1 to both sides of the equation. Here we have 4 plus 1, that's 5, equals K minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that's 0. So those are gone. We just have K. So K equals 5 is our solution. We can say, therefore, Allie made 5 kills. And that's the end of that example.